want to try my Blazer
Trail
Blazer
remote control car.
Okay, ready, go.
Stay here, Johan. No need to go. No need to follow. Stay here, and let's see. How far the range can make it. Come here. Come here. Stay here. Come on. Sit with me. Try it here. Stay here, and then you can drive it here. Come on. Sit down here. Come on. Oh, it's stuck over there. Hold on.
No, wait. I can do this. I go if it's grassy before.
It won't. It's stuck. It's stuck. Don't put on the grass. Only in the flat surface. Go. Oh, sit down here. Sit down here. Oh, or you stand over here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Round from the court. Come on. Come on, move. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward, Johan. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Oh, you can run the entire basketball court.
Okay.
Can you try it again one more time? One more round? Nice one, Johan. You're a good driver. All right. Cool.